Hi, I'm Wanda from Bonanza. In this video, we are going to the billing statement and yearly sales report. We will take a look at how to get there and all that you will find. We will look at total fees owed, payments received, shipping fund balance, and we will also take a look at the yearly sales report. You will find your statement by hovering over Selling, then click Billing Statement. Once there, you'll see the billing icon toward the bottom of the Selling dashboard. At the top of the page, you will find your total fees owed, including this month. To the right, you will see the balance due. This is the total fees due for each month. Then the total fees. This is the total value fees that are collected from your sales. Clicking into each month will allow you to view details about any transactions, shipping label purchases, and associated fees. Offers will show the number of sales you have had for the month. Clicking All Sales by Date will bring up all of your sales. Next, you will find the last payment received. You can click the link to see your payment history. This will include any seller fees, payments made to the shipping fund, membership fees, or any other associated fees. Shipping fund balance is the amount available so that you can print shipping labels when you receive an order. Thanks to productive partnerships, you can save up to 15% below the retail USPS pricing. You can also turn auto funding on or off at any time. If you wish to withdraw funds that have been deposited to your pre-funded shipping account, click the link Withdraw Funds to receive a refund of the shipping fund balance. Bonanza empowers U.S.-based sellers to buy and print USPS shipping labels without ever leaving the site. We've designed it to be super fast and super easy. Now let's take a look at the yearly sales report. It can be found by hovering over Selling, then clicking on the Seller dashboard. Then select Reports, then Yearly Sales. The yearly sales report is designed to make managing revenue and spending on Bonanza easier for sellers and is broken into two columns: total sales and revenue, and business services and subscriptions. The sales and revenue report includes sales, revenue, final value fees, and the tax collected. This section lists fees paid to Bonanza for any services you have opted into, such as shipping labels, memberships, web stores, Background Burner Pro, or Turbo Traffic. You can easily export the yearly sales report if needed. The CSV file will list all of your sales for the year. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.